What's happening, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, trading Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is currently inside of a imbalance, the higher time frame imbalance. So I was expecting Nasdaq to tap into that imbalance yesterday during the CPI. So but it did get to that imbalance, the higher time frame. Let me quickly show you. We are currently inside of this imbalance. You can see here we are nice inside of this imbalance. So I think for now we'll just fill this one again. So that's what my expectations are. I'm not expecting it to go higher since we just filled this. So I'm expecting a bit of sales on Nasdaq, so we'll see. But it's still playing around, so now if I'm going to take any sales, this is where I'll be closing my profits. Profits is somewhere around this imbalance. So we'll see how we push. Let's go back into the lower time frame, because I was starting to see a setup on the 5 minutes time frame. So it looks like it wants to close this imbalance. I thought maybe this imbalance we were going to use it, but now it's getting closed, so we'll see. But again, since yesterday was bullish, I'm also looking at this. So these are the levels I have on my chart. So I don't think I will explain these levels on this video, because they need time. You need time to understand why these levels I've highlighted. So this one is just that imbalance. It's just the end of that imbalance. So it's nothing major, but the main objective is this point here. So this is the opening range gap. So there's some explaining I need to do in order for you to understand what's here. So but for now, let's just wait and see. At the same time, we just tapped into the order block. You see how this candlestick just tapped into the order block, this one. So we'll see if does it really wants to sell, because at the same time yesterday we were bullish, so selling today there are less chances. So today I'm like neutral with my speculations, because I'm like 50-50 with the speculations. I will see which side is it's the strongest, whether it's the bulls or the bears. So we'll just wait. It looks like I'll be using the lower time frame to enter now. Not like now, but it looks like today I'll work with the lower time frame for the entries, but let's just wait. So it looks like it wants to buy, but again we have I see a setup on the 1 minute time frame, I see a setup on the 5 minutes time frame, so I don't know which one to use for now. Because one thing, if I use the 5 minutes time frame, the market might leave me behind, you know. So I don't know whether should I enter on this 1 minute time frame, or should I just wait for the 5 minutes time frame to close. Risk reward ratio 1:5. Ah man, with such a big risk reward ratio, sorry for that, with such a big risk reward ratio, it's gonna be a long trading session. Should I take this 1 minute setup? Let's just be patient for now. Let's just wait. We still have like 45 minutes until the kill zone is finished. So after 5 o'clock I'm not taking any trade, so let's just wait and see. Okay, so the 5 minutes candlestick is about to close, so I'm working with the 5 minutes candlestick now. So this is where I will be taking my entries. So taking buys from this trade is going to be a very risky one, because as I mentioned earlier, we are currently inside of imbalance. So you know, every time the market gets into the imbalance like this, it just tap into that imbalance, then it retests, it moves away. So Same thing here. I see that we are on the H4 time frame. We are inside the imbalance, so the whole movement, this whole movement was for price just to come and tap into this imbalance, then start going lower. So I would say I'm taking a risk right now. I'm taking a very risky trade. I'm taking a very risky trade, but we'll see, as because the market looks like it's very bullish, so that's the reason why I'm willing to take that risk. This market looks very bullish, so yeah, it's that. So what's this? Should we buy? I bought. I bought. It's fine. So yeah, it looks like it quickly wanted to come for this imbalance, since like it looks like it's buying now, but we'll see. Anything can happen from here because we're still on that higher time frame bullish, higher time frame imbalance. So we're still inside of that imbalance, so we'll see whether how the price behaves from now. No, looks like I'm gonna close. I'm not happy with this setup. I'm not 100% optimistic with this setup. Don't blame me, I did mention earlier on the problem about this trade. Think it was better if I reduced the risk. Because man, it's not make sure. I will reclaim that entry if we break this high. If we're gonna break this high, yeah, if we're gonna break this high here, then I will reclaim the entry. But for now, let's keep it like this. Let's risk less. I know the market that is not gonna follow my my trading, my thing, my analysis. I know very well. So sometimes it's better to avoid these silly mistakes, those small silly mistakes. It's better to avoid them than being sorry. I think the 5 minute time frame is not making any sense right now. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. As soon as we're gonna break this imbalance, break this high, that's when I will say I'm confident that we're going up. But for now, I is not make sure. Have to deal with this high first, then I will reclaim the entry. Why? Because this market right now, it's not being I know, guys. I guess today this was it. Today was just another, slap him session. And again, yesterday it was CPI, so trading after a large range day can be very, very, very stressful, because what I see again, you remember we're still on that higher time frame imbalance. This candlestick might have just created a market structure shift for bearish for the sells over here. See, we still have another, so today it's not the one. It's not the one, guys. It's not the one. So yeah, see how difficult trading can be, especially with these prop firms. It's not easy passing a prop firm challenge. You go through the ups and downs, man. You go through the emotional roller coaster. You go through, man. There's a lot of things you go through. So but for now, I will wait for 5 o'clock and see what's going on. I'm not yet done trading. I'm not yet done trading. I want to see what's the price it's gonna do in this remaining 10 minutes. So let's wait. 5 o'clock, so this is where my trading session ends. So yeah, I do not trade after 5 o'clock, so yeah, this is where I'm ending. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Until we'll see you on the next one. Until then, bye bye.